Tom Hanks, known for his extensive acting career, harbors an unexpected passion for collecting typewriters. Since 1978, he has amassed a collection of over 200 vintage machines. Hanks's fascination extends beyond mere ownership. He regularly uses them and even penned op-eds about their charm. His devotion led to the creation of a typewriter-themed app, Hanks Writer, which replicates the nostalgic experience of typing on a typewriter on digital devices. This unique hobby showcases a whimsical and intriguing facet of Hanks' personality, reflecting his appreciation for timeless elegance amidst a digital age.